Hey y'all, it's the Flyness here and I'm back with another video. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. If you're new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button and join the family, because I guarantee if you have good taste, you're guaranteed to like it. Alright y'all, today we are back with another retie video because my retie still isn't done. It never takes me this long to do it, but I've just been putting it off. This month of April so far has started off so slow for me. So slow for me. So I'm about to refocus, get my life together, and start getting things done again, because I did fall off a little bit. Anyway, that's not the point of today's video. Today's video is to get this retie done, or as most of it is done as I can before I gotta leave the house, because I do have to do school drop off and all of that stuff. Right now it is 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to give myself to 5 o'clock in the morning to retie as much as I can. And then after that, we got to do what we got to do. And then I may come back later and finish it up. So what we're going to do today, instead of me doing a retie and chat video, because y'all know I can talk to y'all for hours and not get nothing done, we just going to do a retie and chill video. So this video is just going to be me retying my hair and y'all can watch the process. So if y'all have locks and y'all need a retie and y'all need a retwist, y'all can go ahead and join me while I do this, and we can just knock it out together. Or you could just sit back, relax, and just chill, because we're not about to be doing no talking and we're not about to be doing no playing. I'm gonna have some nice chill music playing. We're gonna have us a vibe and we're gonna get things done. So I have all of my products. I just lied. Hold on, let me get my spray bottle. Okay, now I have everything. So I have everything that I need to do my retie, and then I'm gonna be listening to one of my favorite podcasts, the Sisters Who Kill podcast. If you like true crime, you like black women, check it out, because this podcast is dedicated to crimes committed, or murders specifically committed by black women. It's amazing. The stories go crazy. So I'm about to go ahead, listen to some Sisters Who Kill, and knock out this retie. So let's go.
Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like the horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So confess, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? When you have it, like something. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. When you have it, overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Say our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Say our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there.
Are allowed to deny parole even if the board recommends it. So in 2011, Arena's parole was rejected by Governor Martin O'Malley, a Democrat, sorry guys. Then in 2000,
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Tell me how have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, yeah. Know you're trying to leave, you miss. I saw the dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo, baby. Now So they grabbed hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours.
He spent all his time either playing video games or hanging out with his mom. Demarius was 2 years older than Alyssa, but Alyssa was easily able to get him under her spell. They clicked after the first meeting and instantly started spending a bunch of time together, having a lot of sex with each other. You gotta remember the Carol's on these trips, so Demarius could just come and spend the nights for a couple of nights. It was perfect. After they spent a few nights together getting to know each other, that's how you do it.
How I love to keep you here with me, your baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse the miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. You're trying to leave.
He's hanging out all night, doing it all over again. Like, it's a whole lot of freedom over there. But what can she tell her grown ass son and somebody else's kid? Now, when Carol meets Demarius, she's frustrated that this the nigga her daughter spent all her time with. He just graduated high school, but he didn't have a job. He wasn't even thinking about college. And he's 2 years older than her. They're still kind of in the same age range, but he's on to that next part of life. Like, you know what I mean? Once you graduate, it's a different field. And he didn't seem to have anything going for him. All he cared about was Alyssa. And if you're so worried about me, you can't take care of our future. Come on now.
Keep you here with me, your baby. Just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand.
Alright, y'all, this is what I got done in like that hour or so. Y'all see them inches? Look at that. Yeah, y'all see it. Like, hang time, getting crazy. Yeah, we got some length going on up in there. I still have, well, not all of this, because I have some on the side that's redone. So it's mostly just like the middle. I'm about to get ready to go and do what I have to do. Now, I may come back and do another retie session with y'all. If I do, I'm gonna add it in. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and just keep retiring it, because this is actually motivating me to keep going. Because we're gonna get through this. So I'm gonna do what I gotta do, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna finish retiring, and we're gonna get this done today.
Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out this smooth glare. I be waiting on you some long. You ready to down low like bombs? Boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see it in person. Believe me. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talk about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get right. Take me for a ride, boy. let you go. Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? Breathe heaven and place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. Breathe heaven and place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel that sun.